Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of 3D modeling and animation, you're probably torn between two giants from Autodesk, Maya and 3ds Max. In this video, we'll break down which one comes out on top in 2025, based on their features, strengths, and best use cases. Let's jump right in. First off, Maya is a powerhouse for animation and visual effects. With the 2025 updates, it includes advanced AI tools for faster simulations and character rigging, making it a favorite in film, gaming, and VFX industries. The pros? It's incredibly versatile, supports complex workflows, and has a massive online community for tutorials and support. However, it has a steep learning curve and can demand more from your computer's resources, which might overwhelm beginners. On the flip side, 3ds Max is all about precision modeling and architectural visualization. The latest 2025 enhancements bring improved real-time rendering and better integration with other software, perfect for product design and interior rendering. Its user-friendly interface makes it more accessible, especially for those new to 3D, and it's packed with tools for static scenes and detailed textures. But it falls short in advanced animation compared to Maya and might not handle dynamic simulations as smoothly. So, what's the big difference? Maya excels in motion-heavy projects like game development and special effects, while 3ds Max shines in static, design-focused work like architecture. Both are subscription-based from Autodesk, so pricing is similar, but Maya's edge in performance could make it worth the investment for high-end pros. In the end, neither is universally better, it depends on your goals. If you're animating characters or creating VFX, go with Maya. For modeling buildings or products, 3ds Max is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If this helped you decide, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and drop a comment on which software you're using. See you next time.